We have been tracking Fred now all morning long, really all week. We want to check in now with Lissette Gonzalez for the latest on the advisory and the forecast track. Lissette?
That's right, Francis. Tropical storm Fred is near the southern coast of Dominican Republic, moving west-northwest at 60 miles an hour. It has increased in strength a little bit. Max sustained winds now up to 45 miles an hour. Tropical storm warning in place for Dominican Republic, Haiti, Turks and Caicos, Southeast Bahamas, and much of Cuba under a tropical storm watch. Fred is forecast to move across the mountain tier of Hispaniola, weaken to a depression today. Tomorrow, re-strengthen once it moves near over portions of the Bahamas or Cuba. There is some uncertainty as to whether it will actually make its way across Cuba and interact with the land here, and that's something that will really determine the intensity and the eventual path. But as for now, it is moving in our general direction and expected to take the turn towards the northwest. And right now, South Florida is in that cone heading into late Friday and through Saturday, when the worst of the weather would be expected. As we head into the weekend and Sunday into Monday, it'll move into the eastern Gulf of Mexico, right up the Gulf Coast. It does have the brief opportunity to intensify into a possible weak hurricane at that point. But as we take a look at the latest satellite image, right now we're seeing some showers and storms soaking portions of Dominican Republic. Expected to have the highest rainfall totals here, anywhere from 2 to 6 inches of rain, and could see some flash floods and mudslides there. Here's the ensemble and the model showing that it is forecast to move generally to the west-northwest, but as we head into later this week and the weekend, the models do spread out. There's a lot of uncertainty. And oh, by the way, there's another disturbance out in the Atlantic, just southeast of the Cabo Verde Islands, and the National Hurricane Center has increased the chance for this to develop to a medium potential. So we have Fred, and we have that next wave that we'll be watching as well. But over the next few days, really paying the closest attention, of course, to Fred, as we will see some potential impacts. It's still too early to tell the exact impacts, but right now it is looking like we're going to see heavy rain, flooding, and very gusty winds. And right now there's a gorgeous view from our Rusty Pelican camera as well as from our Key West camera. We've had a few showers here and there. Overall, it's been a pretty quiet but hot day. The wind is out of the east, 10-13 miles an hour. Look at that. It feels like 100 in Miami, 104 in Marathon. Feels like 99 in Oakland Park, and highs climbed to around 91 today. Feeling like the triple digits, and some spotty storms can't be ruled out, but they'll be pushing inland because of that east wind flow. And boaters, no advisory. Seas 2 to 3, a light chop on the bays. For tonight, summer muggies and 80 degrees. There could be a few showers overnight. Here comes the moisture associated with Fred, and as you look at the weekend, it is looking like a washout. So all that deep moisture will be over us and pretty much across the state of Florida, leading to the potential for some severe flooding. In fact, we could see anywhere from about 2 to 4 inches of rain or higher amounts here in South Florida, all depending on the eventual track and intensity of Fred. Francis.